What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be finding out what's inside a Tuborg flaska, specifically Tuborg lite flaska. And yes, let's just find out what is inside. Okay guys, let's go ahead and cut it open.
Sex trafficking of minors in Florida and New York was found dead in his New York City jail cell.
What is this? Let me know in the comments what you think.
Sometimes bad things happen to good people. It will all be over soon if you just don't resist me, Daddy. Just let it happen.